So this next one is Jacob's. We'll dive right in. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Happy Fun Time. We have a special guest today. It's our safety train conductor. He's going to give us some safety tips. So take it away, train conductor.
Hey, kids. Here's a tip that I learned. When cleaning your bloody axe blades, make sure to wear rubber gloves.
Hey. Can we stick to my child-friendly stuff here?
I have a script.
Okay, all right. Okay, here's the next tip from our wonderful friend, the safety train conductor.
All right. Even at an orgy, mixing drinks is a big no-no.
What the hell is wrong with you?
I like kids.
No, let's just say that again. Please just say something pertaining to children. Numbers, the alphabet, colors, anything, okay?
Okay.
All right, okay. Here's our final tip from our friend, the safety train conductor.
Take extra care to shave the nipples before you attach a clamp and car battery.
And scene.
Please spread the word, you friggin' turds.